guys, everybody with the yesterday right now. Everybody yesterday want some goat video. If you just vlog when me a goat and all of them things they see me. So we are gonna go some places today, guys. When I go see where all of the tourists in our channel. We want to come to Jamaica. These are some nice tourist places, tourist attraction and you can come as well. Want to like, share, subscribe and tell a friend come over. MR.Daniel. You see me? Big up the whole team Excel, the whole family. Guys, go over TikTok, support the movement. If I know about TikTok, may I ask you, please. Here we go on. Already there already. When everybody ready, we show everybody and we show everybody and we do what we do and we do on the road like I can't glam out. So guys, we dep on where me want to show you when we're ready, but we couldn't get to show you when we're ready. Winter! Zara! Tika tika tutu, tika tika tutu. You know, see Tika get fat, he look like a man agree with her. I wonder what going for around here. Eh? What can go so, Winter? What can go so? So real.
Look here now, look here.
Look here. That is it. Guys, so we reach. We are walking going outside.
That
is it.
They're not looking at the car.
Like her up in a car. The second time. What can go so? Eh? What can go? So real. So real. So real. Me blow. Alright. So look for winter now. Winter, why are that? I hear man this winter.
Yeah.
That's winter man guy. You talk to him like the camera see. Lyrics him.
Tell him same PM get for him.
Tell him ask him if he can pay.
What is song go?
Him nah no would do no winter.
Huh?
Him nah no.
It will work.
It will work.
It will work. Mr. Guys, she a drama. What can go so? Mr. She a drama. You don't know say we just say we now but I go on the rides. Then feel water vibes. A Sony moody. So we are gonna go there. We are guys we telling already we change mind. We are go dirt bike. So winter can't wait. The guys
Next time we go so.
next time we go so guys. We're showing the Misty Mountain, but here I'm gonna tell you now our problem guys. We plan a whole heap of things one time. So you know them way there? Me not have to go no further. So when you look out, I want to go over to my bestie channel cause she gonna post tomorrow vlogs, right bestie?
Right.
Right Louise?
Right.
What can go so?
You can't hear me? I use an hotspot. So it's another thing.
Where enter from, darling? Which side you enter?
You
Which
got-
side you enter? Oh, here? Straight or here?
Yeah. Yeah. Which function? Yeah. Alright.
Guys, so we are dirt bike.
Alright, good. Is that a was? See my distinction up on her front. The fat, you know. It was. $5 for them video, yeah. Never ask them over. No, sir.
Now we are talk.
Come.
We said we are talk. I tell people my story go. You hear me now? So winter. Tell them how you going. Listen, me give winter weed to take a puff last night. I said winter take a puff. Winter just say, oh guys, we should have said, we should tell them come here. But yeah, me give winter piece of weed last night and winter go so guys. This one winter go so. Mr. Winter no so. Winter job. We think Winter knock out. When Winter Shannon, look up. I want you. Yes.
Winter.
No, no, I just laugh. It's rocky like one of my yard road. Bad road.
So guys, it's actually dirt adventure in Ocherius. You know? If me not have to tell any exact location.
Near Orakabesa side.
Near Orakabesa side. You just type in it on your phone when you're in Jamaica or you want to come here. And the big swing up there, so me did want to go on it, but the man I moved to lame.
My man I can't do one tour.
You can't do one tour. Sorry about that, the
Maybe
man.
them shots now.
Yes, so this is the place, guys. Tell them so Daniel said no. So guys, we are rafting and
Rafting, Freddy, White River. Today check into White River.
you see me?
Check in, Freddy.
When I go check Freddy.
Yeah, Freddy.
Link. Yeah man. Right here, so you want right here, so you want like that again. That is it. So ladies, take over the camera for me, please.
Don't know people is slow. Put your on the top of car, make your clap a blast, clap, clap, ha ha ha. She come in on me yard in a proper. Let me in a me sucker shots. What you want? Money, 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 man, money, money.
Maestra. Shaky bumper. Shaky bumper. Sure.
Do head here, we are what before China sing get there. No. 100 man, jam up on the game. Box a back up, my juvenile, I clear the way. Hey, drill one in a dark, face can't make back. Anyone we run through can't set back. Make it that clear, make it that clear. Can't put a feel like something make clear. 40 that keep under the best here, red type on your cheap one from you get near.
Winter.
Good vibes, this nice. I'm gonna move to the vibe. I'm gonna wind up a night place.
Guys, si Daga follow back away from win-win. Watch ya.
And I got swim. Oh my god. Yeah, get them Richie. Show them. Show them what you're made of. Yeah, yeah. Which part we are going now after this? Which part we are going? Alright, so guys, we're going to the beach.
Going now at the beach.
Yeah, we're going down at the beach.
That's right, sir. Take a chill now.
Take a chill pill.
We go to the peace and God, you pay a bill up. Money like them, heavy mud no. I'm a love. If I pay for time, we jump on the first class. Class on my tie pass, mom, drugs. Keep time on the time, God, pay her on it.
Gratitude. You're not even, you know what you want to eat? Up the road. Yeah. Oh my god, guys, look at the beach. The swimmer dog.
You know what time
So hey guys, we did get to end the vlog from yesterday. We were all tired, but we're bringing Winter to the airport.
And the iPad now works, so we're not
And everybody else at work.
Wake up favorite song.
I have 3 chicken patties. Can I have 2 cheese patty, 2 beef patty?
A batty, did I go say? So,
What else is there?
And juice.
so 3 chicken, 2 cheese, 2 beef.
Yeah, what else patties it get? Hello?
Yeah.
Hello, 1 second.
It's a 3 cheese.
I'm sorry, she have
I'm
shrimp
sorry,
patty.
3 chicken patty, 2 cheese patty, 2 beef patties.
And juice.
You
What
try
about
shrimp
juice?
patty?
And juice. What
And
type
shrimp.
patty?
Shrimp.
And shrimp patty.
I'm sorry, she have it.
2 shrimp patty.
Okay, darling.
So can I
you
have 5
What else patty them have?
chicken patty or 5 beef patty?
You really want
Yeah, I want. And then I want to take on the plane. So can I have 5 chicken patty?
No, I'm out now.
I can't just switch side again. Wow. Oh my god.
Don't cry. Oh God, wait till I come.
We're gonna see you soon.
Don't in the camera. Oh, don't in the camera.
Oh my god, we're not gonna cry too.
No, I'm park and when I walk out, I want to jump out.
Like you will.
Guys, it's time.
Big house and rent car. Come take a video with the camera. Hook up with the camera. Winter and cry, guys.
Oh my god.
Come.
Make it flight.
I can't believe this is happening.
Hey, when I go, that is arrivals.
Oh my god.
Oh my god. This is so sad, you know.
It's sad, man. May I get that video for end my video to the morning video for end my video.
Look at this.
Sitting.
Akeem enjoy himself, guys. I outro this way, though.
Yeah.
Akeem enjoy himself, guys. I couldn't believe it. Me never know say Akeem could have enjoy himself, so me never know. Akeem come like say Akeem never even did them more while we are him enjoy himself. So guys, thank you for watching. This is part 2 of our Tika channel and part 1 of our Daniel channel. So when you see that video, jump go over Tika channel for part 2. Part 1. You see if you see this, yeah.
Guys, last night we did to go pool. But we come back, everybody tired. I vlog never did done. Remember, so we did go 2 beaches. Everybody tired, everybody keep on the ride them, everybody's drained. So we never end up going where we did end up stay home.
Wake up early this morning.
And we did have to wake up very early to bring Winter airport. So we never did get to finish the vlog. So this is it now. Tired. I miss Winter. What can go so?
What can go so? What can go so? What can go so?
Bomba! Hey! Guys, we're going home now, so see you guys soon with another vlog. We're soon going to some more vlog. We're going to start going to more often, you know, and give you guys some more vlog. Bye!